Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux IQ-Touch dryer and on the display it's giving you an E91 error and you're wondering what this error is and what you need to do to get rid of it. So first of all, what this is this is a communication error between the interface controls that you use and the actual control board that controls the dryer. So there's a couple of things that you want to do here. First is just hard reset your dryer, turn it off, disconnect it from power for a full 5 minutes, then restore power. If the issue persists, then you want to check the wiring between the control interface and the actual control board. If that doesn't work, and you're going to want to see if there's anything disconnected, anything loose, anything like that. If that doesn't work, the next thing to do would be to replace the interface, the control interface. And then if that doesn't work, the next thing to do would be to actually replace the electronic control board. If it gets to that point, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description in terms of for a tutorial in terms of how to replace the control board.